Hello students. Today we start the Calvin cycle. It is the topic of lesson photosynthesis in higher plants. Calvin cycle, we also called it the C3 cycles and the dark reaction. About the light reaction, we already talked in last videos. Light reaction takes place in the thylakoid membrane, while the dark reaction takes place in the stroma of the chloroplast. We called it dark reaction because it is performed in dark. It's not. It is actually performed in both conditions, light as well as dark conditions, but it is not depend on the sunlight. That's why we called it is dark condition. Okay, now we start how the cycle is performed. This is the process of reduction process. We called it the reduction of CO2. We know that CO2 is used for the process of photosynthesis, and that CO2 we reduced into and we formed the new compound from it, that is the glucose. Then how can we fix the CO2? That process we also called the fixation of CO2. Then how the cycle is performed? We know that the one most important enzyme is present in the plant body. Actually, these are already present in the chloroplast, and that we called RUBP or Rubisco biphosphate carboxylase enzyme, and this is one of the most abundant enzyme found in all over the world. This compound is already present in the stroma region of the chloroplast, and this is the 5-carbon compound. This compound accept the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and it is rapidly converted into unstable compound, and that unstable compound, it is actually 6-carbon compound, but it is unstable, so it is rapidly converted into another stable compound, and which is 3-carbon compound, that is the 2-PGA. Means that 6-carbon compound is split up into 2 compounds of 3 carbons, and the compound is phosphoglyceric acid, 2 molecules of the phosphoglyceric acid. This process we call split by hydrolysis. The formation of first stable compound from the RUBP, that process we called carboxylation process. There are 3 steps are in the dark reaction. The first is carboxylation. Then 2 molecules of PGA again converted into 1,3-di-PGA. It is not just nothing but the isomer of the PGA. It is the 3-carbon compound, and it is also 3-carbon compound. But during that conversion, it used 2 ATP molecules and convert it into 2 ADP. ATP and NADPH2 used in this reaction, that comes from the light reaction. Then it again converted into 2-PGAL, 2-phosphoglyceraldehyde, means glyceric acid is converted into glyceraldehyde. But during this reaction, it always take energy, and that energy is in the form of NADH. NADH loses hydrogen, and it converted into 2-NAD. That ADP and NAD are again goes to the light reaction and charge in light reaction. That 2-PGAL, it is the most important compound here. Actually, it is the 3-carbon compound, and 3 carbons, there are 2 molecules, means there are total 6 carbon. Out of that 6, 1 carbon is fixed in the form of fructose 1,6 biphosphate. And out of that 6, 1 carbon is fixed here, while the another 5 carbons are regenerate. They are undergoing the process of regeneration. Means the second step here, that is the regeneration. Then what about the second step? The second step is like that. and that is the process is reduction, because the carbon number is reduced here. Then 5 carbons are regenerated into again RUBP, means it is ready for to another accept of CO2, and that fructose 1,6-biphosphate is converted into fructose 6-phosphate. These are actually the isomers of each other. Then glucose 6-phosphate, and finally converted into glucose. But all these compounds have a 6 carbon compounds. This is also 6 carbon, 6 carbon, and 6 carbon, and 6 carbon. But here we only take the 1 carbon atoms. Then where the 5 carbons, from where the 5 carbons atoms are come? Actually, for the formation of 1 glucose molecules, Calvin cycle runs 6 times. Means 6 times that process continuously takes place, and 6 carbon dioxide molecules are fixed in the form of glucose, are converted in the form of glucose, and the ribulose biphosphate only involved in the reaction, and finally it is released and ready to accept the new carbon dioxide reaction. But during the process of regeneration, again 1 ATP is utilized here, and it convert 1 ATP is utilized here and convert into ADP. That ATP and NADP are empty now, and to fulfill them, to get the energy, that goes to the light reaction and take the energy from light reaction and provide it to the dark reaction. This is the complete Calvin cycle. 3 steps are involved: carboxylation, reduction, and regeneration. In this way, for the formation of 1 glucose molecule, here we write down 1 glucose molecule 6 times Calvin cycle learn. For the formation of 1 glucose, 6 times Calvin cycle run. The time period for 1 cycle is 15 seconds. So for the formation of 1 glucose, there are 15 into 6, because 6 carbon are there. So the 90-second time is required for the formation of 1 glucose molecule. Simultaneously, dark reaction and light reaction takes place inside the chloroplast. Okay, now we talk the how much amount of the ATP or NADP used here. There are 3 ATP used in Calvin cycle, 2 in the process of reduction and 1 in the process of regeneration. Means we here write down the 3 ATP used for 1 cycle performs and 2 NADH2 use for the 1 cycle perform. And for the formation of 1 glucose, the cycles repeat in 6 times. So the energy is 18 ATP are used and 12 NADPH2 are used for the formation of 1 glucose. We called it, this amount of energy is used for 1 glucose formation. Now we see actually where the process of dark reaction takes place. Here we try to draw the structure of chloroplast. We know that the chloroplast is double membranous structure, and these are the thylakoid stacks of the granum, and inside that thylakoid light reaction takes place. Means this is the center of light reaction, and from that light reaction the energy currency is released in the form of ATP in the form of NADH2. This is the stroma region of the chloroplast, and in that stroma region 1 cycle is performed that we call the Calvin cycle, and it is also called the dark reaction. And for the running of the dark reaction, the energy is used in the form of ATP or NADPH2. Means this energy is used in Calvin cycle. In Calvin cycle, it is take the energy and convert it into energy less compound, that is the NAD and ADP. That NAD and ADP again goes to the thylakoid membrane. They are again recharged by the light reaction and again come to the Calvin cycle. In this way, the whole process of light reaction and dark reaction continuously takes place during the process of photosynthesis. I hope you understand the Calvin cycle and how it takes place. In next video, we talk about the C4 cycle. Okay, the one important thing is there. It is found in which plant? We called it is performed in wet and cold climatic condition. And in wet and cold climatic condition means the plants, they are grown in winter season or rainy seasons, means generally examples are wheat and rice. So that plants we also call the C3 plant. Those plants perform that type of the reaction, that is the dark reaction and the light reaction, and that plant we call the C3 plants. Okay, now we stop here, and from in next video we talk about the another pathway, or that is the C4 plant. Thank you everyone.